Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nurse Alyssa and today we're going to be going over Remedy Nourishing Cream. But first, if you could hit that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated as it truly does help my channel grow. So let's get started. So Remedy Nourishing Cream is a hand and body moisturizer that is to be used on intact skin. So it is fragrant-free, tear-free, hypoallergenic, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. And it does not interfere with the integrity of latex, nitrile, and vinyl gloves. So indications for use. So this is to be used as a moisturizer for the face, hands, body, feet for the patient. Precautions. So we're not going to apply this to open or broken skin. And when applying it to the feet, don't put it in between the toes and just make sure that the patient is wearing socks after to prevent falls. Contraindications. So we're not going to be using this on any clients who have a sensitivity or allergy to any of the ingredients. And we're not going to be using this for prevention of incontinence-associated skin dermatitis, okay? So we're not using this in the perineal area for incontinence-associated dermatitis. So that's when we have fecal or urine causing a reaction with the skin, causing it to be inflamed. We're not using it to prevent that. There is different products for that. So to apply this cream, you're just going to apply a thin layer and gently soothe it into the skin, the face, hands, body, or feet until it's completely absorbed. Now do not use between the toes, and it is best to apply after a shower or bath to dampen skin. And just make sure that the patient is wearing socks or shoes after, just to prevent any falls. So the frequency of using this cream is daily to promote good skin health. Twice a day to arms and legs to prevent skin tears. So if we do have nice moist skin, it does help prevent skin tears from just like little nicks, because as we get older, our skin does start to thin. So elderly seem to just hit something and it just peels our skin back so easily. So if we are applying daily to these high trafficked areas that we get skin tears, our arms and our legs, it can help prevent skin tears. The expected outcome is that our skin is well moisturized, healthy, and intact. It does come in 3 different sizes, so our 59 mils, our 118 mils, and our 946 mils. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you do find it helpful in your daily practice or at home. And if you haven't done so already, if you could please hit that subscribe button, it would be truly appreciated. And I will catch you all in my next video. See you guys.